Hello, this is Mike Johnson. I'm taking you on an inside and outside video tour of this 2013 very low mileage and extremely clean Prius Plug-in Dual Fuel Hybrid. So this is a dual fuel car. It runs on electric or gasoline. So you can put gas in it, drive as long as you want. But when you come home, you can plug it in and it'll charge in 3 hours so that you can drive the next day up to 11 miles per charge with no use of gasoline. So 11 times 365 is about 4,000 miles a year of no gas driving. And that boosts your gas mileage up to about 85 miles per gallon. Now this is a clean car. It's got brand new, all 4 tires are brand new. And it qualifies for the newest Carpool HOV Stickers. The orange stickers will let you drive alone in the carpool lane. Plus, there are 2 additional government programs, one from the power company and one from the Clean Air Agency, government agency, that are willing to pay you up to $10,500 cash value to help you buy this car. Some of that is up front. You can get up to $9,500 from the Replace Your Ride program, which would basically lower the sales price by $9,500 if you qualify. You want to check out Replace Your Ride and see if you qualify. replaceyourride.com. This is an extremely clean, nice car. It only has 55,000 original miles. That's very low for 2013 and is very well documented on the Carfax that that's the correct mileage. Now I'm going to take you on an inside tour. I'm going to show you about the Carpool stickers later in this video and explain what the difference are between the colors and how you can tell if a car can or can't get the new orange Carpool stickers. So let's go have a look on the inside. I'm going to take a look at the VIN number of this car. The last 3 digits are 573. How many miles on this car? I said it has low mileage. Current odometer reading is 55,861. It's a very low mileage car. And it's very clean as a result. Take a look at the seats. Cloth seats. Very, very clean. We did have this professionally detailed. It's been professionally detailed by a professional auto detailer that we use all the time, that we trust. And if you're worried about sterilizing it, we can ozone sterilize it with ozone, but I don't think this car needs that. There's no odors in here. It's a very clean smelling car. It doesn't smell like smoke or body odor or any of those odors from a used car. It's a very clean smelling car. But with the way things are these days, this video was shot in April 2020. You can get this ozone sterilized if you like. We have the factory owner's manuals are all present in the car. This car comes with the factory navigation system. It has navigation with live traffic, which means you can see traffic jams right on the screen, downloaded from the data plan from your cell phone. Very low cost. Uses almost no data, just a small amount of data. And then you get live traffic displaying on the navigation system if you enable it. And the navigation is very good. It's voice activated, so you can just press the button on the steering wheel, the voice button, and say destination California, and then you say the city, street, and house number. It'll navigate you there just at the touch of a button, kind of like Siri. Works very well. And then of course you have the backup camera, and you have Bluetooth hands-free for music and Bluetooth hands-free for phone. Heated seats. They are cloth seats, but they are heated. It's a low mileage car. If you want leather, it's about $1,200 to put leather in here. We do have a company that can do that for us. They do brand new remanufacturing of the seats if you wanted to spend an extra $1,200 for genuine leather interior. But this car is really clean. It's not worn. There's like 0 wear and tear in this car. It's very clean. I like this one. This one, you know, you don't want to let this one get away. If you want a nice Prius plug-in, here's the thing. These cars come with a 5-seat configuration, so you can drive for Uber, and the newer plug-ins cannot. But you have 5 seats in here, and they're very clean. I mean, 55,000 miles. That's not very many miles a year that this car was driven. Now we're shooting on a very windy day, but right here is the gas door open button. So the way this car works, you put gasoline in the car, you drive it as much as you want, just like a normal car, and it's going to get you 50 miles per gallon. 50 is good. That's excellent mileage. 50, and you don't have to plug it in. You want to plug it in, so if you can plug it in, it boosts the 50 miles per gallon up to 70, 80, 100, 150. It depends on how far you drive between the times that you plug it in. Now on a plug-in charge, it'll drive about 11 miles per charge before it needs to be charged again or switches to gasoline hybrid. So if you charge it once a day, that's 11 times 365 is about 4,024, something like that. Then you're going to get 4,000 miles a year. If you charge it twice a day, you might get 8,000 miles a year of pure electric driving. So if you drive 12,000 miles a year and you charge it twice a day, you're only buying 4,000 miles worth of gas per year. So 4,000 at 50 miles per gallon, that's not very much gas that you're spending if you buy this car. It's very nice. Even up the seatbelt, clean where the seatbelts are. Headliners clean. Over here, even on by the driver's highest wear point, there's all clean here in the seatbelt area, clean in the sun visor area, and of course these are lighted. Clean where you put your sunglasses up here. Nice and clean. One has the remote start air conditioning button. See a little AC button on the remote. That means you can start the air conditioning on this car from outside the vehicle. So like when you run into Starbucks or the bank, you can kick on the AC while you're going in there. It does have all the owner's books are present, and this even has the safety quality inspection sheet because this was a Toyota certified pre-owned vehicle. Toyota certified it. I've got the inspection sheet, comes with the car. When they inspected it previously, it passed their 160 point quality assurance check for Toyota certified. So it's a very nice car, very clean. Let's wrap it up. I don't want the video too long, but we're going to talk real quick about the government programs. So how do you know if a car can get the carpool stickers or is eligible to use the carpool lane? It's very simple. Actually, it's not. First, you need to go to the California Air Resources Board website and then search for carpool stickers and you find the list of vehicles. This is the list right here, 2012 model year vehicles, for example. And then you look by make right here, and we see Toyota Prius Plug-in Hybrid, and the type of emissions that it has. Only the plug-in hybrid can do it, not the regular Prius. And under the hood of the vehicle is a label, and it will have this code number. I'll show you that in a minute. The Chevy Volts are really complicated because most of the Volts cannot get the carpool sticker. But if you were looking, for example, at a Chevy Volt, the Chevys are, where's the Chevy? Right there. Volt is very complicated. Only the ones with this emissions code under the hood can get the carpool sticker. So this is the list of vehicles that can get the sticker, but there's also this blacklist. Now I've already punched in a VIN number for a car that cannot get the carpool sticker by using, on this 2,000 page spreadsheet, you go to edit, find, enter the VIN number or even a partial VIN number, and then next, and this is the blacklist. So the one car that I punched in this VIN number ending in 215, that car already had green stickers, so it cannot get the stickers anymore. But let's go on, for example, my website right here. We're going to take a look at a car that can get the stickers that's promoted on my website, for example. There's a free Carfax report. Let's go down. I want to look at the 93,000 mile car, for example. Where's that car? looking for it. Free Carfax report. And then we select the VIN number right there. I use Control C to copy it, and then I open up my spreadsheet, Control V, and enter. And now I'm searching, and it has searched the entire list. Adobe Acrobat Reader has finished searching the document. No matches were found. So the VIN number for the silver Prius that I just looked up is not on the blacklist. And so that's why it can be verified that it can get the newest Carpool stickers from DMV. That's how it works. So we're wrapping up this video on this 55,000 mile car. It's very clean. This is my website right here, mybestcar.com, and the company name is A Buyer's Choice. Go on the website, see if this car is still available. If you see it with a price, it is still available. If the price is not there, then somebody's already reserved it. So why don't you give me a call so you can reserve it before somebody else does. My direct 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. phone number is 951-681-2101. Thank you for watching.